What is branch banking? So, branch banking is one of the system of banking where a relatively big commercial bank undertakes banking activities with a network of branches. So, a bank under the system may open branches both within and outside the country of its origin. Thus, branch banking is delocalized banking system where a bank has its presence throughout the country and even outside the country. So, we can see that branch banking is a system wherein a bank which has its branches not only in the country but also outside the country, and they are operating under one single head which opens a number of branches in several areas. So the main feature of branch banking can be stated as there is separation of ownership and management. So there are difference between ownership, that is one who owns are different and one who manages are different. They have a head office and all the activities of the branches are controlled by this head office or the head branch. The branch manager for each of the branches are responsible for managing the branch, and also in preparation of financial statements, the assets or liabilities of the head office and the branches are taken all together. The branch banking system basically originated in England and has become very popular. In India, since the introduction of organized banking system, we follow the branch banking system. Now, what are the main advantages of having a branch banking system? The main advantage are it helps in the operation of a larger scale. So since there are too many branches in all the areas, it helps in the operation in a varied of area. Also, it helps in specification and division of labor. Therefore, we have qualified staff and highly competent employees who are working in their own departments. We also have risk diversification, greater mobility of capital. Then there the confidence in the public, it also increases, emergence of strong and solvent banks, and it also results in providing better customer services. Even though the banking branch system is very popular and it is used in our country, still there are certain disadvantages and demerits of this system. The first demerit can be uh, said that the problem of monopolistic tendency. So monopolistic tendency arises in case of branch banking system. That means the power gets concentrated in the hands of a few branch. Next, problem of management. Since there are a lot of banks branches under the branch banking system, there arises a problem of management as the branch keeps on increasing. Also, delay in decision making. In branch banking system, there is delay in decision making because since all the decisions has to be passed on by the head bank and it results in delays. Apart from this, the branch banking system also sometimes ignores the local needs, and sometimes it happens so that whatever is needed by the local people, it is not being hit. Also, there is transfer of funds problem. Then it is also expensive for opening bank branches in some hard or areas where the cost of living is very high.